Hi guys, thank you very much for tuning in on Slikhaar TV. My name is Emil. Today I'm here with Sophie. I'm getting my sides trimmed. It's the maintenance cut, so I'm not gonna have the length on the top reduced. It's only the sides, it's very thick. And can you do something about it?
Yeah, of course. Gotta fix it.
First step, a good hair wash. Now I have a big smile on my face because Sophie did the sides and I'm looking super sharp. The only thing that's needed now is a fresh blow dry. So I'll spray some water in the hair and then finish up with the Sidekick Zero spray. And then I'll brush it back with the new 9-row brush from Vilain. I'll finish up with Vilain.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna sing my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do, that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.
Thank you very much for watching this episode. Remember to subscribe for more awesome hair tutorials, and remember, if you want a chance to win free by Vilain products of choice, then leave a nice comment with a thumbs up or a suggestion for what to see next. And I forgot to say, I'm looking forward to see you in the Facebook Slick Hair community, where we'll discuss every subject